Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'd like to talk about Arbitrum, ARB USDT trading pair with Marcus Mirkasar. Let's dive in, guys. I really shocked because I never analyzed that and never double checked the Arbitrum on HTX. And like you remember, I million times explained to you always when you use the initiation accumulation pump model, a lot of exchanges list on with a different listing prices. So now recently the BitGet start listed the tokens with the lowest prices, and it gives us more room for trades, and more confident. We're more confident when we analyze and mark the zones, because sometimes the listing price on the Binance can be, let's say, 50 cents, and on BitGet it can be like 5 cents, and it's a big range for zone of accumulation. And on the Binance looks like, oh, we dump it on the listing price, oh, it's capitulation, but basically not. And I shocked because I always analyze the Arbitrum on the Binance. So you remember this chart and I mark, so we dump it on the listing price because listing price on the Binance was 50 cents in March 2023. But take a look, the listing price on NOKEX, for example, was 50 cents. On the Bybit, it was 40 cents, but kind of weird week. Also on Max on KuCoin, let's check this one. Also kind of weird weak candle, but it's basically because of lack of liquidity. But take a look on a KuCoin, the listing price was 12 cents, and it's kind of weird because if we use, for example, on the KuCoin, the idea not invalidated. If we use on HTX, the listing price was 10 cents, and kind of huge weak candle. And based on these weak candles, just a week, in many cases we can come back and close to 50% of that week. HTX, Arbitrum, weekly time frame, but you remember we use the initiation accumulation pump model on a daily. So we use the lowest point, daily candle close, and the chart, and mark the zone of accumulation. And take a look, guys. This is just magic. Because only now, after basically 2 years, yes, listing was in March 2023. Now it's March 2025. After 2 years, we come back to the best zone to buy. It's just an amazing. Why? Because it's showing us the market makers work with the bots, with the algorithm, and we stop it here because we get reaction. Invalidation of in this case will be if we dump on the listing price 10 cents. And this is one more, like a good lessons all the time. Double check, triple check the different exchanges and check where exactly the price and how the price react at some level. And at the end, you will realize the confident level. So it's really important. So now I'm going to track the HTX chart with the lowest point. And it's kind of weird because in this case, we still got a potential. To pump to $1.54. It's once again the zone of swing trades. And $1.6594, it's a zone of swing trades. Also, if we zoom out and double check on a monthly time frame, here, this is how it looks like. Definitely, we're gonna pump sooner or later to close this monthly gap with a weak candle, mostly $1.44. So this one. So it's just a matter of time. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course we can. And it will be the best case scenario, guys, if we will drop, for example, sweep 34 cents 57, 50% of this range. This range at 36 cents, 28, 27, 19. So it's going to be the best case scenario, but it's not necessary, so we can move higher from these current prices. That's kind of weird because why exactly we stop it here? Because it's this model works. This model works, and weekly time frame, take a look. Next week, the best case scenario, if we will see one more sweep. Definitely, for me personally, maybe to open long, but of course it's just my wishes, right? So to open now long or not, it's only up to you, right? So you can open with second leverage too much. With second leverage, it's like under this low, it's 40% stop loss, kind of too much, right? Like this stop loss, 20% stop loss, also kind of too much. That's why, guys, if you had a limit order at 36.28, you made the right decision, right? And for me, it's kind of like a good example why we can analyze on different exchanges. And it's giving me the, not a hope. I absolutely don't care about Arbitrum, because I'm not invested in it. It's giving me the confidence. So yes, we can see the one more impulse up on altcoins, because Arbitrum, it's not like a low cap token, not a meme token, not a pump and dump token. I hope. Yes, this is a hope. I hope this is not a pump and dump scam. Of course, the people who receive the airdrop, they can dump the price at any moment because they receive the tokens for free. Maybe somebody is still not selling it. Maybe some in panic will press sell. A lot of people using the multi-hacking. I guess there was insiders with the different wallets, who receive the allocations. But I don't think so. The Arbitrum, it was an end of cycle like 2040. We not count that weeks, because it's just lack of liquidity, right? But in many cases, what I realized with my experience, when we see something like this one, not only on one exchange, we see it on many exchanges, at least we can come back at and close 50% of that week, So realistic target is can be, I guess the $10, it's mostly what people waiting, $100 and all of that nonsense. I guess, yes, we can see the $8, $7 for Arbitrum. From these current prices, it's not a big deal by percentage. So here, for example, it's like $7, it's only 2% gains. Here, $7.50. I say only, and it can be the end of cycle. Yes, and it can be around, I guess, the 50% of this week. Let's say here, $10, 2,800, 2,600. Also possible, but it's not like, I don't know, 100x, what people waiting for. It's not $100 per Arbitrum, no matter how cool this project, what a team behind. The Aptus, the optimism, the Arbitrum, right? It's a great project, but be realistic with expectations. And the best case scenario, I explained it, it's a test 36, 28, 27, 19 again, and going higher. But it's just a theory, So this initiation, this accumulation, and we can trade long-term period in this range. Maybe 2 years more. It's going to be just a wasted time. So I hope the quick recover move and build the structure, because we're still like in uptrend structure. So high lows, this one. And after that, we can hit the new all-time high, not the new all-time high, I mean new high, and going down to correction to bear market. Take a look with Marcus Mercosur, ADZ direction market more. This is kind of interesting because we form basically the warranty. Here is a 1, 2, 3. Yes, we can drop lower, and it's going to be just like a gift. So the next week will be crucial for Arbitrum. This is capitulation. This is definitely capitulation level now for Arbitrum on the market move. So it's a good one. Also, guys, safety trade after 100%, better withdraw initial deposit. Once again, weekly time frame, guys. ADZ, it's not a distribution. It's not an area on the market. So definitely, it's not like sell time. It's time for accumulation, of course, with proper risk management, but it's not area. When we see area, it's time to out. Now it's time to accumulate up to our own risk management. Money power, here, all this in period, money inflow, pump, money outflow, drop. Let's add alert to the money inflow. I guess the next week we can see some money inflow onto weekly time frame. Monthly one, here. We never traded here on the money power indicator at the top of the crazy distribution. So we always underrated. Trade on, it was a sell. Let's add signal take profit. Trade on and take profit from sell from weekly, So the sell was in January 2024. Now we dump it. Here's a buyback, like a local swing trades. Daily, it was sell, take profit, buy. I would like to see one more dump to sweep that low, and maybe the 30 cents is going to be the end of this downtrend, and after that the recover move, not a V shape maybe, but the strong recover move. Here, daily, weekly time frame, I guess. Yes, weekly time frame, guys, we underrated. We trade under familiar value on the weekly time frame. It's 50 cents, 59. Take profit, it's $1.35.46. Daily time frame, I would like to see this one, the fundamental value of 35.47. I guess 12-hour time frame, yes. This is what I would like to see. I want to see the 50% range test between this one, 36.30 and 27.18. So I would like to see the 32.45. I will add alert, just a price alert notification. And I wish to see this move. Of course, we can move even from discount prices like this one. So the take profit is 72.5 and 81.41. But we can see something like this one next week. Based on what? I don't know. Maybe some Trump will say something or Elon Musk will say something. But this is going to be the best case scenario for us, you know. And after that, the strong recover move in March. So guys, I hope you like this video. And the targets guys, it's this one block, it's fixation swing trades and new all-time high. I believe, it's just my take, I believe that Arbitrum will be one of not so many projects which will hit the new all-time high this cycle, this year maybe, or maybe next one. So guys, write please in the comment what you think about Arbitrum. If you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time guys.